How to add the solar beams and the remote to the solar siren. At first, we can turn on the solar siren by pressing the on-off button 3 times. Several beeps means the solar siren works properly, and then turn on the solar beams 3 times also. Another one. And then align the beams with each other. If the beams works properly, you can hear several beeps. It means the beams aligned well with each other. And then we press the add button. The indicator light will be red, and we can check the beams. Okay. Then we add the remote. Press the add button and the arm key. Okay. Another one. Add key. Okay. We can try again. This is disarm. If the siren be disarmed, the solar siren will not receive any alarm signals from the sensors. So we should press arm key. We can also change the alarm tones by this key. Alarm and doorbell. Okay.